Hi everyone, welcome back to Living with the Wilsons. I'm one half of the duo, Janine, and we're currently in Barcelona. We are here because we are taking a cruise in a few days. We'll talk about that part later. But while we're here in Barcelona, we thought, why not show you our hotel room? So come along with us, we'll give you a little room tour and all that jazz.
And I'm Corey to show you around and to tell you what this room is. We are currently staying at the Hyatt Regency Barcelona Tower. It's in the hospital district of Barcelona, so it's not right downtown with all the nitty and gritty, but it's a short cab ride there, quick and easy. The room that we're staying in is called a king bed, high floor, deluxe city view. That is a mouthful, but there it is. I practiced it like 10 times and I probably still screwed it up. But anyways, let's get going and show you what we got when you first walk in. Okay, so when you first walk in, you're going to be greeted with this open area here, which is actually part of the bathroom. It's an open bathroom concept. We'll get to all this in just a second. Going through here is where you go into the actual bedroom. That's going to be the last part of the tour. So let's get right to this. Got a double vanity sink. You have a mirror here that is magnifying, and it does have a light on it for the ladies. Hair dryer down there. It does have separate shower and toilet area. The shower area has a nice rain shower head on it. I don't know if you can see it. So yeah, and then it's got jets down the side, and it's also got a hand wand. And here is where the toilet area is. We'll just swing it out this way since it goes both. So separate, got a nice glass wall that's illuminating. This is actually on the other side also, standing in the shower. It's the wall that separates them both, which is kind of cool because that is actually the only light in the shower. You do have an overhead light here in the toilet area. And you got a phone in case you got to call somebody, who cares? So there's the toilet area. And just to the right of that, how's it going? This is the closet area. It is split with this piece in the center, which does move. And you do have, move to the other side. Some storage area. And right here is your safe. They do provide you with a iron and an ironing board. So you do have some house slippers and a robe. In case you're, I know it looks like there's 4, but that's a mirror right there. There's only 2. But that's kind of cool too that they provide that. And then of course on this side, it's pretty much the same thing. So let's go ahead and go into the bedroom area and show you that. So separating the bedroom area from the bathroom area, you do have a door, which is kind of nice. So if somebody is in here getting ready, doing whatever, you can have somebody on the other side and they're not being disturbed at all. That just opens up. There's the king size bed. Got stands on both sides. There is one universal plug here, so for US people you can plug in here. Do recommend traveling with the adapters though. Got a little coffee station going on over here. They got some treats that you do have to pay for, and a fridge down there that you also have to pay for. You got a nice chaise lounge, a little table, a little seat down here while you're getting ready, putting your shoes and stuff on. So the coolest part is I got you propped up on the bed because we're going to open that. Look, no hands. All right, now let's check out that view. This is the Deluxe City view. So there it is. There's the Mediterranean right down there, the port area where we're going to end up going for our cruise. Got all the apartments and stuff going up that way to the mountains. And downtown is that away. We spent the day down there today. It was a lot of fun. So there's the tour of the, I'm going to try to say this again and probably going to mess it up. It is the high floor king, or no, see, I messed it up. It is the king bed, high floor, deluxe city view. That's what the room is. At the Hyatt Regency Barcelona Tower. It's all a mouthful over here. So hope you guys enjoyed it. and catch you in the next video.